The task of the leader is to get his people from where they are to where they have not been, once remarked Henry Kissinger. This philosophy aptly captures the first 365 days in office of Pharm Sir Bankole Aminu Ezebuilo, whose tenure as National Chairman of the Association of Industrial Pharmacists of Nigeria, NAIP, has been defined by bold reforms, strategic expansion, and purposeful leadership. Elected on June 26, 2025, at the Citadel in Ikeja, Lagos, during NAIP's 28th Annual National Conference, Sir Bankole's emergence signaled a new chapter for Nigeria's pharmaceutical industry. Succeeding Pharm Kenneth Chinedu Onwegbu, he assumed office with a clear mandate to consolidate past gains while advancing a progressive, future-focused vision for industrial pharmacy. This vision received early validation when NAIP secured the prestigious PSN Group Dynamics Award at the Dabo City Conference in Kano, marking the first time the association achieved this milestone under a newly inaugurated national chairman. From the outset, his leadership has been anchored on intentionality, resilience, and innovation. Guided by the principle that effective leadership demands courage, diligence, and problem-solving, Sir Bankole has driven a results-oriented agenda aimed at positioning NAIP as a central force in Nigeria's journey towards pharmaceutical independence. A defining hallmark of his first year has been extensive industry engagement. Through a nationwide advocacy tour, he led NAIP executives on strategic visits to 54 pharmaceutical companies, strengthening partnerships, fostering collaboration, and reinforcing the association's relevance within the sector. His outreach extended to traditional institutions, including a high-level engagement with the Emir of Ilorin, where he pledged a free medical outreach, renovation of the Palace Clinic, and donation of medicines valued at over 3 million naira in support of the 29th National Conference. Beyond these engagements, his administration established strategic alliances with key institutions such as the African Resource Center for Excellence in Supply Chain Management, ARCESM, the Indian Consulate, the Presidential Initiative for Unlocking the Healthcare Value Chain, PVAC, and Empower School of Health. Notably, the collaboration with ARCESM has evolved into a robust partnership driving the NAIP Business Academy, an initiative designed to strengthen capacity across the pharmaceutical value chain. Sir Bankole has consistently demonstrated that leadership is measured by impact and influence. This was evident during the Anambra Delta CEO's luncheon in Onitsha, where he successfully aligned previously unengaged pharmaceutical CEOs with the NAIP vision. A committed mentor, he has also invested in the next generation of pharmacists, delivering a keynote address at Igbinedion University, Okada, where he inspired newly inducted graduates and strengthened the bridge between academia and industry. Beyond his leadership role at NAIP, He brings private sector experience as founder and CEO of K-Health Pharma Limited, ProMedics Limited, and CareTech Limited, with interests spanning pharmaceuticals, surgicals, and medical consumables. This experience has informed his approach at NAIP, contributing to key outcomes such as securing OPay Nigeria Limited as a major sponsor for its flagship economic programs. At NAIP, his leadership framework is built on the 3 Ps: people, programs, and place. Under this model, key committees including finance, regulatory, business, academy, education, publicity, strategy and implementation, and economic outlook planning have been strengthened to enhance governance, inclusivity, and execution. Institutional capacity has also been reinforced with the appointment of Pharm Richard Ladakbo as Technical Director, a role pivotal in driving technical audits, compliance checks, and regulatory readiness across member companies. One of the most significant achievements of his administration has been infrastructure development. On July 22, 2025, he led the groundbreaking ceremony for the NAIP Resource Center in Oba, Anambra State, part of a broader national network spanning Kano and Lagos. This initiative underscores his commitment to building integrated hubs for research, quality assurance, cold chain logistics, and innovation. In a historic demonstration of inclusive leadership, Sir Bankole convened an unprecedented gathering of Nigeria's foremost traditional rulers, including His Majesty Nnemeka Alfred Achebe, His Royal Highness Muhammadu Sanusi II, and His Imperial Majesty Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi to support the national agenda for pharmaceutical sovereignty. This convergence highlights the powerful intersection of tradition, policy, and industrial development. He further advanced regional integration by unifying the Air States, Abia, Imo, and Rivers through a strategic CEO's engagement in Owerri, bringing key stakeholders into a cohesive national framework. Across multiple states, including Kwara, Ogun, Anambra, Enugu, Plateau, and Kano, his administration has delivered impactful capacity-building programs, symposia, and outreach initiatives, significantly expanding NAIP's national footprint. Looking ahead, Sir Bankole has positioned the NAIP 2026 Economic Outlook and CEOs Forum as a flagship initiative under the theme Reimagining Nigeria's Health Security, creating a high-level platform for industry leaders and policy makers to chart sustainable growth pathways. 1 year into his tenure, his leadership stands as a compelling model of service-driven excellence, blending vision with execution, innovation with tradition, and strategy with measurable impact. As NAIP advances its Harmony Reloaded 2026 agenda, the first 365 days of Pharm Sir Bankole Aminu Ezebuilo's administration tell a clear story of transformation, resilience, and unwavering commitment to building a globally competitive pharmaceutical industry in Nigeria. Congratulations to industrial pharmacists. Congratulations to pharmacists across Nigeria. Congratulations to the people of Nigeria.